Hello students. Now we discuss about the one concept, that is application of probability. Okay. So already in school level you can know the definition of probability. The probability means some event. That is I define A is any given. Then probability of A equal to number of favorable outcome divided by number of possible outcome. This is the general formula for probability. Any event, that is number of favorable outcome divided by number of possible outcome. For example, in tossing a coin, the possible outcomes are 10 and 10. These are the possible outcomes. So I need a tail. That is on the tail is favorable outcome. This is the formula for probability. So now we can solve the one question. The question is a factory has three machines A, B, C, producing 25%, 35%, and 40% of bolts respectively. Machine A has 5% defective, and machine B has 4% defective, and machine C has 2% defective. If we are randomly choosing a part is defective, randomly choose a part is defective. What is the probability? It is come from the machine B. So first we can understand the sum. That is, in a company three machines. It is A, B, C. Machine A produce 25%, machine B produce 35%, and machine C produce 40%. And the defective ratio are 5 is to 4 is to 2. Okay. Now we can choose randomly one bolt. The bolt is defective. What is the probability of it is come from machine B? So now you can solve this problem. First we can discuss about the one concept, conditional probability. Conditional probability. So this is means that is probability of A given B. Probability of A given B. That means B, A is one event, B is another event. A and B are different events. So the event B is complete. After that you can choose the event A. This is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. So condition probability is probability of A given B equal probability of A intersection B divided by probability B. And another way is the probability of B given A is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. This is the formula for condition probability. Now we can apply the condition probability for in this problem. So this is formula for only two events, but in this question there are three events, machine A, B, C. So there is more than two events. You can use bias theorem. The bias theorem statement is that is probability of some Bi given A. Ba is that is B or n event. Ba given A equal to probability of Bi into probability of A given Bi divided by summation I varies from 1 to n probability of Bi into probability of A given Ba. That is, there are n events, that is B1, B2 up to Bn. These event dependent the event A. This is the statement of bias theorem. Now we can read the question. There are three machines. Let us assume that E1, E2 and E3 are A, B, C produce bolts respectively. That is E1, E2 be the events of machine A, B produce the bolt respectively. And B be the event of defective bolt.
defective bolt. In this question you can find the defective bolt which is comes from machine B, that is probability of E2 given B. You can find the value of probability of E2 given B. So now we can find the one by one. Probability of E1 is, that is E1 is machine A produce the bolts. So E1 is machine A, that is 25% is equal to 25 by 100, and probability of E2 equal to 35 by 100, and probability of E3 equal to 40 by 100. Now probability of B given E1, that means machine A defective bolt in machine A, first machine B is defective bolt in machine A is equal to 5%, 5 by 100, and probability of B given E2 is 4 by 100, probability of B given E3 equal to 2 by 100. Therefore probability of E2 given B equal to probability of E2 into probability of B given E2 divided by summation I varies from 1 to 3. There are 3 machines, 1 to 3, probability of E2 into probability of B given E2. So probability of E2 value is 35 by 100, B given E2 is 4 by 100 divided by probability of E1 25 by 100, 5 by 100 plus 35 by 100 into 4 by 100 plus 40 by 100 into 2 by 100. Take 1 by 10,000 common. 35 into 4 is 140. Take 1 by 10,000 common. 25 into 5, 75 plus 140 plus 80. Cancel this one. 145, 210, 290. 14 by 29 is the probability value for the defective bolt comes from machine B. Okay. Thank you.